Welcome to the guided tour for Literature Resource Center's Person Search and Work Search. Today we're going to start off with Person Search. If you know the person you're looking for, you can enter it in the box at the top. However, you also have the option to string together a combination of different options to create a list of people that match your specific criteria. Some of those options include gender, nationality, ethnicity, a specific occupation, and if you don't know the occupations that you're looking for, or if you want to see a list of different occupations in the database, you can use that browse option on the right. You also have the option to use literary movement. Scrolling down, you also have the option to search by genre as well as subject or theme, both of which have the browse option on the right-hand side. You also have the option to input the place of birth and place of death in the box next to the specific search option. Date of birth and date of death are both options as well to search by. All dates are the default. However, you also have the option to search before, on, after, or between specific dates. And lastly, you have the option to limit to a specific century in which the person you're looking for lived. Today we're going to conduct a search on Edgar Allan Poe. As I mentioned previously, if you know the name of the person you're looking for, enter it in the search box at the top and select Search. When you conduct a person search, instead of being taken to a result list, you're taken to a list of options that meet your criteria. Here, you'll see that Edgar Allan Poe of Russian literature is an option, as well as the Edgar Allan Poe that we are looking for. We do include the year of birth, year of death, as well as nationality to help you decide between different options. On the far right, you will see the number of articles on Edgar Allan Poe in the database. To select and view all of those articles on Edgar Allan Poe, simply select his name and you will be taken directly to the result list. The work search functions very similarly to the person search. If you know the name of the work you're looking for, you can simply type it in the box at the top. However, you can also combine different options to create a list of works that match your criteria. Some of the options you have within your work search include a type of work, which gives you an A to Z list of all the types of work in the database. You also have the option to include an author. If you know the name of your author, simply type it in that box or use the browse option on the right. You also have the option to include a publication year. Again, if you know your publication year, put it into that box, or you can put in a range as well. You also have the option to include a century. You can include multiple centuries by using your control button. And again, this goes back to the 20th century BC. If you're looking for the full text of a specific work, simply check the box Full Text of Work Available. You also have the option to search by an original language. It is an A to Z list. The next three options are about the author. If you want to limit to a specific author gender, you have that option, as well as nationality and ethnicity. Today we are going to conduct a work search on the novel To Kill a Mockingbird. As I mentioned previously, if you know the name of the work you're looking for, simply enter it into the text box at the top. Same as your person search, when you conduct a work search, you are not taken directly to your result list. Instead, you are taken to a list of options that meet your criteria. Because we searched To Kill a Mockingbird, I'm given three different options: To Kill a Mockingbird, the motion picture, the novel, as well as the play. We do offer to you the author name as well as the type of work to help make your decision between your options. On the far right, you will see the number of articles linked to that specific option. Now, because we're looking for To Kill a Mockingbird, the novel, I'm going to select To Kill a Mockingbird, the novel, and I will be taken then directly to my result list. Thank you for attending the guided tour for Literature Resource Center's Person Search and Work Search. I hope it was helpful for you. Happy searching!